Hello, this is question 1, and it's a question that is in A-level paper, so year 13 paper, but it's all year 12, so nothing different. So a circle has this equation, and we have to find the center and the radius. So the first thing we are going to do is to write the equation in a better way, more convenient way. So we are going to, so we have x squared. I'm going to put together the x's and the y's. So y squared plus 16y equals 80, because I'm going to complete the square here and complete the square here. If I complete the square with the x, I have x minus half that squared, and then minus 5 squared, 25. Then I complete the square with the y's, and I have y plus half that is 8 squared minus 8 squared, 64, and then equals 80. And if I reorganize and I put the numbers together, so I have x minus 5 squared plus y plus 8 squared is 169. Remember the equation of the circle. If you compare that with x minus the x of the circle plus y minus the y of the circle equal radius squared, that means that my center, because they are asking me, well, I can answer first. The center is the first thing they ask. So the center is going to be 5 minus 8, and the radius is going to be the square root of 169, which is 13. Yeah, the square root of this one. So that's the first part. Then they say, given that P is the point on the circle that is farthest away from the origin, find the exact length OP. So I'm going to do a quick sketch so you see what they are asking, just in case you don't see. So this is this is x, y. The center of the circle is 5 minus 8, so somewhere here. You have your circle here. Really the circle will be greater than that because the radius is greater, but it really doesn't matter. So they say the farthest away point from the origin. So you have the origin, the farthest away point from the origin is going to be this point B. Yeah, and they are asking me the distance OP. That's what they're asking. So this is 5 and this is minus 8. What we are going to do is to find this distance here, yeah, and then we are going to add this distance here. This distance here, O, the center of the circle, the distance OC, is going to be the square root of the coordinates squared. So this is Pythagoras. This bit is 5, this bit is 8, so this is the hypotenuse, square root of 5 squared plus 8 squared, and this is the root of 89. And CP is the radius of the circle that we said it was 13, which means that OP is going to be 13 plus root 89. They don't say, it says the exact length, so we are going to leave it in with the square root. Yeah, and that's all with this question. This sounds a bit more complicated than it is, really.